discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Got some work back here.
It was out of that, like Wednesday last week. Helps with loading a little bit.
Time to shut it? Just want to make sure. Can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
What's up, man? I'm Nick Garcia, president of Team Deadly Hertz. I got 2 DC Audio level 618s and a DC Audio 12K, 3 CES 80s, and a Brand X 425 amp alternator. Awesome. A little messy back there, but it is what it is.
What are you wired to?
Wired to 0.5 bridged. It's a 2-channel 12K.
Okay. All right. Awesome.
That back plate that I put on there is loading off of that that back plate, and that's what's it's like punchier and lower on the set. There's more didn't change, but it feels
more
punchier.
musical though.
Oh yeah.
Is it around 38, 39 hertz? 40?
I got some guys asking me, are y'all doing like a best demo award or something?
Yeah, we'll be having the best demo.
And that's gonna be like towards the end, and you're gonna have the guys come up and judge them then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Yep.
All right.
So it's tuned at it's actually tuned to 30 hertz. The peak is 37.
37.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're pretty much just about dead on.
All right. Awesome. Wow. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily YouTube cardio videos. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Nick's system. This was at the TDH show, Team Deadly Hertz, in 2021, and he is the president of the team. You did a good job. Shout out to you, Nick. So really impressed with the demo I'm about to show y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. Really unique style box that he has pushed as far forward as he could, it looked like. Having a lot of hatch issues. This vehicle is getting tore up. I like that he has his subwoofers up and the port back. Usually that's the most optimal for these style of systems. And he actually added in a little bit of structural work. Right before the show, he was saying at the back of his hatch to kind of stop some of the flex, and it helped him play a little bit lower. Helps prevent some of the flex. So if anybody's trying to improve on stopping flex, it may not look the prettiest, but adding in solid structures such as wood is way better than just Dynamatic, especially for something like this. So this is a 12,000 watt amplifier from DC Audio. Don't see a lot of these. I think it's an older school amplifier from a few years ago. It is bridgeable 2-channel, so very unique style. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel for daily cardio videos as well if you want to join me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at JacobViral. Enjoy the demo. Wow. What's your frequency peak on that?
Different. It's like it's hitting lower now. Like it's catching like the lower end better.
That back plate that I put on there is loading off of that back plate, and that's what's it's like punchier and lower opposite. The score didn't change, but it feels
more
punchier.
musical though.
Oh yeah.
Is it around 38, 39 hertz?
I
40?
got some guys asking me, are y'all doing like a best demo award or something?
Yeah, we'll be having the best
And that's gonna be like towards the end, and you're gonna have the guys come up and judge them then.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let them know.
Yep.
All right.
So it's tuned at it's actually tuned to 30 hertz. The peak is 37.
37.
Yep.
Okay.
You're pretty much just about dead on.
All right. Awesome. Wow.
I appreciate you checking it out, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for showing me. Your name again?
Nick Garcia.
Nick.
Nice to meet
President. Appreciate it, man.
Yep,
Nice to
thank
meet
you.
you. Thank you. Woo. Nice doors.
you. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SkyHigh Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.